I'm Jonathan from Tandem, and this is Pablo, and we're installing a Dirty Deeds exhaust on a Sequoia. Is this a Sequoia? Is that like a minivan?
Something like that. I don't know. It may as well be like one of those little weird peeper vans without windows.
Yeah, I know. It's so weird. Anyways, yeah. To that.
Okay. When I was going to drive it in, are you guys listening?
Yes.
I stepped on the slider and slipped and hit the door and slammed into Alex's Sequoia.
Oh. He can't tell that dent from any other dent.
That's true.
And as a matter of fact, I'm pretty sure that dent is probably completely unnoticeable to the fact he's folded his bumper multiple times.
Yes. He probably won't even notice it.
So what's next? What are we doing?
We're gonna pull that exhaust off and put that Dirty Deeds exhaust on.
In all seriousness, that's the actual Johnathan right there. This guy right here. And we're gonna be installing the Dirty Deeds exhaust.
Yes.
What's so special about it?
I don't know.
You don't know?
It's a Sequoia specific exhaust, which is tight.
Undercarriage heater.
We got a knife. It's a good thing I did a good job of cutting that all away.
Is this ceramic coated?
I think it's just painted, but he does offer it ceramic. Oh, and he includes gaskets.
So in case if you're confused as to why this pipe comes all the way up here and then just ends, what this actually does is cancels out drone in some scientific kind of fancy kind of way. So it takes.
Every time I call him, and you can't leave a voicemail.
Spray all these rusty bits because I'm suspect of them. No!
No lube.
Make it stop.
So I guess technically Toyota made it easy.
There you go. Everything's accessible.
Yeah. Buff?
You want a jack or a horse thingy?
No, but maybe a pry bar?
Oh, you had a nice little flat spot on that piece.
It is quite big.
While the hangar in place.
Add a hanger.
That's how it's.
Yeah, I mean, it's okay. I just, this is like infinitely adjustable. So I just want to make sure that we get it adjusted-ish. But I don't hear it hitting. And it won't be moving around that much.
All right. Hey! Yeah, you're still here. That's fine, that's great. That means you watched an entire Tandem off-road YouTube episode thingamabobber. If you want some more, there's more down in the channel down below. Check it out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. That's all I got.